Okay, to help with sketching your composition the first time, I want you to think about your picture that you chose for this one, for example, in fractions. So like halfway across, what is close to halfway across the picture? What is close to halfway up the picture? Or a third of the way or a fourth of the way across. So for example, the very center of this, where it says the Indian restaurant, it's about halfway up the picture, right? So you know that this needs to be about halfway up your sketch. And the center of that brown awning there where it says Indian restaurant is about halfway from left to right in the picture. So that might be a good place to start. Where is that? You know that's right in the center of the picture. What's a quarter of the way over? Or on this side, what's about a quarter of the way over on this side? So this where it says Balloon Express, you know that that is the center of that awning is pretty close to 1/4 of the way over in the picture. You know that the bottom tip of the awning right here is going down about halfway from top to bottom. You know that if you divide this into half and a quarter here, that halfway between those two measurement estimates is where, halfway across that part is where that shape is. You know that this sign that says Goshen on the light post is right on that intersection between the halfway line across this way and a quarter of the way across from up top to bottom. Another thing to think about is, like where's the top of these lights? Okay, the top of those lights right there. How far down the picture is that? Go straight across about there. That seems to be close to a quarter of the way down, right? Divide this into 1, 2, 3, 4 quarters. Top of those lights is about a quarter of the way down. So on your sketch, maybe just lightly mark those quarter lines, and you know that that's where the top of those lights need to go. What about this window? Okay, the edge of this window right here. About a quarter of the way over. From right to left, that's about 1/4 of the distance across. So just try to apply those fraction ideas to different parts around the picture. You don't have to do it for every single part, but once you get a few of the major parts put in there, the rest of it's going to just fall into place.